Welcome to Zero Trust Labs, your gateway to mastering cybersecurity. Whether you are new to the field or looking to sharpen your skills, today we will introduce you to a new tool which offers a comprehensive training experience combined with realistic hands-on and simulated real-world cybersecurity challenges. Xintra Labs provides an extensive learning platform designed to enhance your cybersecurity expertise. It includes a variety of training courses, hands-on labs allowing you to develop practical skills in attacking and defending the networks. Here, you will simulate real-world cyber threats and learn how to respond effectively. Xintra Lab offers constructive training modules designed by top industry experts. These training courses focus on critical areas like attacking and defending networks, threat intelligence, reverse engineering, dealing with advanced persistent threats, and incident response. Here, you will learn about APTs, how APTs operates, and practice defending against them. Digital forensics, you will understand how to conduct investigations and preserve the evidences after cyber attack. You will learn various type of logs and artifacts which are to be collected from the compromised systems, which may come handy in the investigation later. You will learn about SOC analysis trainings and crowd security as a bonus. Alongside training, Xintra Labs offers practical hands-on labs designed to emerge your simulated attack scenarios. These labs offer a safe environment where you can test your skills in a real-time attacks and defend them. Xintra Labs is your virtual battleground for practicing cybersecurity techniques. You can choose from over 50 different scenarios that range from basic hacking attempts to full-fledged cyber warfare situations. Each lab simulates a real-world attack scenarios such as a ransomware attack, APT attack infiltrations, cloud-based data breaches, phishing campaigns using mails, and various other uh, methods which are used by APT threat actors. So, how you will use these labs? To use this lab, you have to log in your from your account, and you will reach the dashboard from where you can see various labs which are available to you. For example purpose, I will choose one lab, Wife University. Here, when you will open the lab, you will reach the dashboard where you will see various details about the lab. Going one by one, you can see about the contributors who have made this lab. Then you can see the threat actor on which this lab is based. Here you will also see many links from where you can see about the actual attack which happened and whose inspiration has been drawn while making these labs. Here is another link. It is very worthwhile to go through these links before solving these labs. Here there is a description about how the attack has been organized. This comes handy when you will start solving the CTF exercise. Here you will see a scoping note and a network diagram. Here in network diagram you will see various components or workstations or servers which are there in the part of the network. Here you can see there is a internet connections, there is a Azure intra domain controller setup using which authentication is being provided. Then you will see a VPN workstation or machine. There is also a jump server here, an ELK log system in which all the logs have been ingested. Then there are two other workstations. One is for domain controller and other is for SQL. You will see the IP address of these workstations written here and the ports which are open and are being used by to provide the genuine services. Here you can see there one is the DMZ network in the certain IP range, and then there is a production network. Coming back to lab details, now we will see how to access these labs. To access these labs, there is a button to open the lab on the right side. From here, you can open your lab. Opening the lab may take some time. Meanwhile, we will go through various other details which are necessary. Here on the left side, you can see there are CTF questions about various things which are required in the lab. Here you will see that there is a pattern which is being followed, that all the stages of the cyber attack chain are being listed here. The attack will start from a basic reconnaissance or a phishing attack, and it will be followed by various stages like privileged acceleration, remote access, accessing the volume shadow copies, which is generally done by the ransomware. Now looking around the network, then gaining control of the network, and final exfiltration or decryption, encryption of the files, which is generally done by the ransomwares. Here, in these questions, you will learn about various concepts which will come handy. One more thing is there, that there are hints also provided. When you will use these hints, you will lose some points, the dedicated point for the every question. These labs are very interesting and very challenging. Now I will take you to the lab and show you how to use these labs. Once the lab is opened, you will be showed a Windows 10 machine, which is our forensic machine device. Here you will see a welcome note which contains details about the various evidences and tools which are available. You can see that there is a CAPE forensic images which are available for us. Then there is a ELK access. They have also provided the credentials for the ELK lab setup. Here there are various features which are available in this lab, like you can upload your own tools and files from this option. You can use the double screen or the dual monitor, or you can even full screen this in this way to have a better view of the lab. For now, I will exit this full screen. Now there are two folders which are displayed on the desktop itself. First is the tools folder. Here in this tool folders you will have all the tools which you will need in various stages to solve these labs. For example, there are Eric Zimmerman tools, then there is Chainsaw, P Studio, Sys internal suite site. All these tools are there for your disposal, and you can use this when and when required to solve your questions. Then there is another folder on the desktop which is evidence folder. These evidence folder will show you all the artifacts or the essential CAPE logs which are there for our lab. I will choose Wi-Fi University, and you can see that there are folders like processed evidence, which contains the CAPE logs. These are in zipped format, and you can extract them and use them here. Here you can see that there are event logs, file deletion logs, file folder access logs, program execution logs, registry logs, and various other useful database like Scrum database, which tells you about the resource utilization. Apart from these processed evidence, there are triage images also available for all the workstations which are there in the network. Here you can extract the triage image also. Here in the triage image, you will see all the descriptive folders of the workstation which are there. You can see there are various folders which of the Windows subsystem which are available. You can access the user details and required information from here. This is how you have to use these processed images and triage images. Then there is one other option, which is the adjusted ELK logs which are available. When you will open that link, it will open a link for ELK ingester. Here in the welcome note, the default credentials were provided. We will use these credentials to log into the ELK setup. Here you can see our ELK setup has been loaded up. On the left side, you can see various indices over which our logs are present. We have Azure logs, Office 365 logs, system logs, and Windows event logs. You can click any of them from here, and using the required filters, you can extract the information about various CTF type challenges which are there in the lab. Now, Xintra Labs offers a flexible subscription plan. Whether you are training individually or at an enterprise level, you can select from the various plans which are available. They have a personal plan which costs around $45 a month or $35.25 when billed annually. Then there is an enterprise plan which is customized for organization. For that, you have to contact Zintra for the pricing. Then there is an enterprise premium plan which they will be coming up soon. Here on the screen you can see that what are the various features which are available per plan. Obviously in the enterprise plan or on the premium plans you will get more of the information or the features, but I have personally used this by after buying the subscription, and I will tell you it is completely worth it. Once you will solve these labs, you will get to know about various integrities of the TTPs which are used by the APTs, which we are not usually aware of or we don't have the exposure to. You can see various lab contributors also. Then there is a very good community support also. Here you have an option that you can even contribute to the Zintra platform. You can write them a proposal or earn money over Zintra. So I will strongly recommend this platform for everyone who is trying to sharpen their skills and trying to learn various integrities of incident response in cyber security attacks. Thank you so much.